Another, wala pa tayo naabot sa lain na. Wala pa tayo naabot sa lain na. Addition pa ta. Wala pa tayo subtraction. Pero, another example, be. Hani, i-turn into mixed number gihapon. Be, Leia Rich. Dali na.
Madam-madam na nang ulit.
Sige na, unsa man?
48.
48. 9. 48 divided by 9.
5.
5. 5 times 9.
45. Oh, wala.
Ang numerator,
5.
5. Denominator,
48.
wow! Next.
Next. Ramadan.
Aira.
Maxine. Mana
Aira.
Maxine?
Manamak.
Aira. Balikon ka na si Maxine. Kaya gitudluan si Maxine. Sige, Aira. Tuloy na, Aira. Turn into mixed number. 28 divided by 7.
4.
Ila? 28. So, saan man eh?
4. 4. God.
Say 4. Ha?
Sorry.
Naman ay 1 diya. Considered naman ang anay 1. Move sabi. Maxine.
Mana?
Maxine.
Mana?
Maxine, ikaw.
Wow. Okay, Maxine.
Start. Sige na, unsa. Ina ko unsa buhat to. Ako ni suot.
18.
18.
4.
Saan man ang 18 o 4?
Yun, ang 18.
Ha?
Ay, di.
Tanong nga. I-divide. Sige. 18 divided by 4. Sige na.
4.
4. 4 times 4.
16.
16. Minus. 18 minus 16.
2.
2. Permahon na to.
2.
Sa ito, mapagay ko na yung lang sa ako'y butang. Diyon sa may denominator na to.
2.
Denominator.
4.
Denominator. Ang denominator, kanina nasa ubos.
18.
18. Sunod, atong whole number.
2.
2. And then, ang 4. Asa man yung 4?
Tumoy.
Ang samayngan sa tumoy. Ang sayngan sa tumoy. Kaysa mat, walay tumoy. Ang sayngan sa tumoy.
Eh, nalaguna.
N ang naguna, N.
What? Gugula sa tumoy.
Numerator, Maxine.
Wala pa rin ang uban mo.
Kung sa wala pa ang uban, dili na natin sila kung ano, kikabaw na bili sila.
Graduate na mga.
Subtraction ng sagta. Special class.
Good afternoon, Teacher Loida.
Okay, before we proceed our discussion today, so I let them to review about the multiplication. Sabot? Okay. Rachel, stand up. 8 times
64.
8. 9 times 4.
36.
6 times 5.
30.
9 times 5.
45.
8 times 3.
24.
4 times 4.
16.
Okay, very good. Next, Kim Chen. 8 times 7.
56.
9 times 6.
54.
6 times 8.
48.
9 times 7.
63.
9 times 4.
36.
8 times 4.
32.
Okay, very good. Next, Chandi. 5 times 5.
25.
6 times 5.
30.
4 times 3.
12.
9 times 9.
51.
7 times 8.
56.
7 times 7.
41.
Okay, very good. Next, Romeline. 7 times 3.
21.
7 times 4.
24. 28.
6 times 3.
18.
3 times 5.
15.
9 times 9. Okay, next, Princess. 5 times 5.
25.
6 times 8.
48.
7 times 8.
56.
7 times 6.
42.
9 times 6.
54.
8 times 8.
64.
Okay, very good. Are you ready, students?
Yes.
So this afternoon, we are going to have also the brushing of our teeth after every class. We may start now. Brushing our teeth is very important to prevent cavities. Brushing also stimulates the gums, which helps us to keep them healthy and prevent gum disease. So brush your teeth properly. Do the routine of proper brushing.
Okay, so this afternoon we're going to have our dental hygiene after every class. Okay, mag-toothbrush na. Students, reminded pud mo ha nga dapat sa Saturday o Sunday isag wala mi mag-toothbrush mo sa inyong kaugalingon sa inyong panimalay. Ha? Okay. Annyeonghaseyo, students.
안녕하세요.
Brush your teeth. Show your teeth. Ellie. Sophia. And here we have Eliza. And lastly, Althea. Okay, brush your teeth. Okay, well done na students.
Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, Teacher Rosel.
Okay, for this afternoon, you are going to write 10 sentences of each types of pronoun. So, mag-write mo na pulo kada sentence kada type sa pronoun. So, naman to ay personal, possessive, reflexive, demonstrative, interrogative, relative, o indefinite. So, 10 sentences each. Okay? Let me start now. Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, Teacher Rosel.
Okay, this afternoon, let's have PEMDAS. Write the day today. Number 1. 8 plus 14 divided by 7 times 3 minus 5. 8 plus 14 divided by 7 times 3 minus 5. Number 2, 25 minus 4 raised to the power of 2 plus 3 times 4. 25 minus 4 raised to the power of 2 plus 3 times 4. Number 3, the quantity of 6 raised to the power of 2 minus 2 raised to the power of 2 close parenthesis times 2. The quantity of 6 raised to the power of 2 minus 2 raised to the power of 2 close parenthesis times 2. Number 24 minus 7 times 3 plus 1. 24 minus 7 times 3 plus 1. Number 7. 10 plus 4. The quantity of 9 plus 8 close parenthesis plus 12 divided by 3 minus 4. 10 plus 4, the quantity of 9 plus 8 close parenthesis plus 12 divided by 3 minus 4. Number 9, 3 plus 8, the quantity of 4 minus 2 close parenthesis minus 7. 3 plus 8, the quantity of 4 minus 2 close parenthesis minus 7. Number 10, the last number, 4 raised to the power of 2 minus 6 times 2 divided by 4 times 3 plus 5. 4 raised to the power of 2 minus 6 times 2 divided by 4 times 3 plus 5. Okay, you may start solving now.
Okay, annyeonghaseyo everyone.
안녕하세요. Good afternoon, Teacher Allen. Good afternoon, classmates. It's nice to see you this afternoon.
Okay, please. Tingkod mo ka na.
Thank you, Teacher Allen.
So, what day today?
Friday.
Friday. So, on Monday, magunsa naman mo.
Classic.
Klase ano? Start na sa klase ninyo. So, are you excited na? Magsugod na sa Excited, really excited. Kaya nga naman KitKat. Why?
Ninyo.
Kaya nga naman.
Lingo, pero kasi.
So,
Nagwambang.
naalam mo paminaw mo. Naalam mo yung mga requirements.
Wala ko.
Sige lang, inaihayan na ni Mama o ni Papa. Uy, kamong duha. Kung sa may inuhang.
Sabi mo.
Ha? Inaihayan na lang ni Mama o Papa ang inyong requirements. So, for now, we were going to discuss
Proper hygiene.
So, may proper hygiene. What's hygiene in Bisaya? Ang sama na. Ang sama na. Ang pagpang-limpyo ninyo sa inyong lawaringon, sa inyong lawas. So, let's start for daily. What's the meaning of daily? Kung sa may pasabot sa daily? Every day. Ginabuhat ninyo every day. Kung sa may ginabuhat ninyo nga hygiene every day.
Maligo.
So it's belong to personal cleanliness is bathing. Kung sa'y bathing gani, maligo. So, sa inyo nga, ano sa mo maligo kasagaran? So, kung mag-start na ang klase, paminaw mo, kung mag-start ang klase, for those morning session, sa mga sa maligo? Alas 5, pwede yun, 5. Alas 5, alas 4 mamata. So, ganahan ba mo gusto nga maligo?
Yeah.